Have you ever wondered what goes on in your brain when you sleep? Get ready to satisfy your curiosity. Sleep has been an important part of the human life since the dawn of time, but we've only recently made progress towards understanding it. Sleep is actually a complex set of stages in which brain activity varies greatly. We can measure brain activity during sleep through electroencephalography. During electroencephalography, electrodes are applied to the scalp, and electric pulses, representing brain activity, are recorded. The resulting representation of brain function is an electroencephalogram, or EEG, and it varies depending on the state of sleep the brain is in. There are two main stages of sleep: REM, rapid eye movement, and NREM, non-rapid eye movement. The latter can also be referred to as SWS, slow wave sleep. NREM comes first, consisting of 4 stages. Stage 1, subjects are merely drowsy. Stage 2 is more of a light sleep. During this stage, sleep spindles, clusters of high-frequency activity in random parts of the brain, appear and last for only a few seconds before fading. K-complexes, large spikes in electrode readings that last for about a minute, are also common. These bursts of energy help with memory storage and processing of information. Stage 3 NREM sleep is a wide category, consisting from moderate to very deep sleep. EEG recorded activity vastly decreases, as do other functions like muscle tension and heart rate. Basically, the brain is slowing down. It's the most difficult to wake someone from stage 3 NREM sleep, and even if successful, they may experience sleep inertia, continued drowsiness for a period after waking. After NREM, which takes roughly an hour, we experience REM, or rapid eye movement. This stage displays EEG readings similar to that of wakefulness. However, the body is essentially paralyzed while the brain undergoes intense activity. This is when dreaming occurs. REM lasts for about 10 minutes before the brain returns to NREM. However, as the night sleep continues, the dreaming phase may increase in duration. So now we know what sleep is, but what is its function? Sleep is regenerative and necessary for health. An experiment conducted by Bergman on rats attached electrodes to their brains and reported every time they started to fall asleep. The scientists would then move the floor to wake the rats up. They found that those deprived of any sleep for several weeks lost weight and control over basic functions like body temperature. Eventually, they died. Similarly, lack of sleep in humans can be fatal. Sleep deprivation causes a sleep debt, which, if not repaid soon, can cause reduction in reaction time and judgment. Additionally, the brain needs sleep to catch up on regulatory issues, such as the production of glycogen. Glycogen is necessary not only for the storage of energy, but also for the production of memory. The levels of glycogen drop throughout the day and must be replenished at night. However, just because sleep is necessary doesn't mean all parts of it are. Scientists still do not agree on the function or necessity of REM sleep. NREM sleep is restorative, and without it the human body would not be able to function. But REM sleep doesn't seem to have a clear purpose. Subjects in a sleep study were woken every time their EEG readings displayed signs of REM, so they were only allowed to experience NREM sleep. However, they showed no adverse side effects and were able to function at a normal level. So, is there really a point to REM sleep? There are several theories to explain its purpose. Francis Crick proposed that REM serves to erase certain established neural passageways in the brain that are unnecessary or detrimental to function. If we remembered everything that ever happened to us, our brains would be unable to sift through the quantity of information. Therefore, some of it must be deleted. Another theory is that dreaming allows us to experience events and emotions that we would not normally experience, so that we are more prepared for them in real life. For example, we may dream about a situation in which we encounter fear. Then, if we encounter fear in the real world, we will be more equipped to handle it. Or perhaps REM is simply a useless in-between state that separates stages of NREM and serves no real function. There is not yet one theory that evidence overwhelmingly supports. Clearly, there are still gaps in our understanding of sleep, but we do know that it is essential to good health. Hopefully this has helped satisfy your curiosity on brain activity during sleep. I'll see you next time when curiosity calls.